Good morning everybody, welcome to my home from home here in Spa. I've got the Audi RS3 behind me, which looks amazing in Aura Blue. We've got our Airbnb, which we stay in every year. I love it here. The sun is now shining and we are going to embark on a trip to the Nurburgring. Now, I'm not going to be able to track this car, unfortunately, because of insurance purposes. I can't track a press car. However, what we will be doing is making our way down to the Nurburgring, completely unplanned, and we're going to see what you can do there. I mean, there might be a few ring taxis or something that we can do, and we're going to see if we can just basically enjoy ourselves. Whether we go out on track or not, we're going to find out. You're going to find out with me because I have no idea. But what I can tell you is the drive down is definitely going to be fun. We're probably going to find some autobahn, so expect some high-speed stuff in the RS3, but also the cars that are going to be around the ring are going to be pretty mental. So I'm really looking forward to driving this down, and I'm also really looking forward to seeing what is actually going to be turning up at the ring. And maybe Steve obviously went earlier on because he's going to clean his car. Maybe Steve will take his car out on the ring and I might go with him to film it. So fingers crossed. Finally made it to the green hell, and what a great drive down that was. Obviously the RS3, as always, superb. It grips and goes. C63 was great, and the Mazda just sounds awesome as well. The iconic photo shot that everyone has to take when you come down here. This is the first time I've ever been to the Nurburgring, and already some of the cars around here are absolutely mental. So we're going to park up and see if I can show you some cool stuff here, and then try and figure out what it is we're going to do, because Steve wants to take the C63 out on track. I won't be taking the RS3, and I don't think Rich is going to take the Mazda. We might try and do like a ring taxi maybe, if there's one available, because we haven't booked anything. So well, that's just typical. I can't believe it, actually, if I'm honest with you. The flipping ring is shut. They won't allow people to go into. We can't even do a ring taxi. Steve can't take his C63 out on the ring. But this place still, do you know what, even though it's closed, it's still buzzing. There's still cars hooning up and down, getting their shots over here. The bikers are everywhere. So we found this place, which is the esports bar. And we're gonna have some laps around the Nurburgring, but on a simulator. I think this place is lovely. I mean, the atmosphere, even though it's closed, it's still buzzing. There's still cars everywhere. And yeah, anyway.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind. Though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I've burned. My only way to you is gone, the tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need. I know I'm blind, but I hear symphonies of your heartbeat. Now that's an understatement. To walk alone.
Oh man, what a cool day. A little bit of disappointment because obviously the Nurburgring itself was closed for anyone other than bloody races. I think this is like the second year in a row that this has happened to us, so yeah, I think we need to plan it better next time. But I hope you enjoyed the journey down, and obviously the roads around there were incredible. The RS3 was amazing, especially on the autobahn. I mean, what, 265 kilometers per hour? That's 165 miles per hour. And I could have kept going, but to be fair, there was a couple bits, well, there's a bit more traffic further up and I didn't want to keep pushing it. But yeah, autobahn RS3 completed. Great time with some friends, completed. What more can I say? We're gonna go have some dinner now and chill, but I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, make sure to like, share and subscribe, guys. And I will see you all very soon on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.